Pruning a lemon verbena. What you've got to do is look for swellings in the stem, and you'll find that there are little voices where the leaf will grow, and you cut to just above one of those swellings. So I'm going to go around now and cut this back, and you can be really firm because all this is last year's growth, and the more you cut back, the better crop you will have next year. Wait until all frosts are finished before you do this so that your plant is not damaged in any way. And there we are, done.